Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an ignition coil pack on your Kia Rio. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want to start by removing the engine cover, which is held on by two clips. You have two here and then two up here. So let's go ahead and just give that a nice pull. There you go. I'll pop it right off. And now we can access all of the ignition coil packs right here. With the engine cover removed, now we have access to the ignition coil packs, which are located right here. And the cylinder numbers are cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this Kia Rio. The firing order, I believe, is 1, 3, 4, and 2, if you need to know the firing order. So to remove and replace an ignition coil pack, we need to remove the 10mm bolt that's holding it on and then undo the harness. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet with looks like maybe a 3-inch extension. Go ahead and get that off. Once it's loosened, you can pretty much do it by hand. So we'll pop that off here. Gently pull that up. And then the next step is to remove this, this harness plug. There's a little locking clip right here, this gray tab. You just want to pull up on that gently. And then that'll enable you to push the little button down. Pull that out. And there you go. Here's the one that we removed, the bad one. So this is the new one here. I picked this one up online. I'll put the information along the bottom. I hear a lot of mechanics talk online about stuff off eBay being junk, and I don't disagree with them 100% because I have had issues with actually more of a minority I've had issues with. The majority of them I've actually had no problems with. This particular brand here, ECCPP, I've actually used their parts on several cars of mine, never had any problems, so that's where I got this one. So I'll put the info along the bottom. But here is the new ignition coil pack for the Kia Rio. You can see here, it's a perfect match. So let's go ahead and put it in. First thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and reconnect the harness here. Put that in. Make sure you put the little lock in place. Next we're going to drop it in. Make sure it goes all the way down, get a good connection. And then now we are going to bolt it back in. Okay, that's in place. Driving it here, no misfires, engine's running great. I'm also tracking it, so we're going to go ahead and look at it, look the diagnostic report when we get back, but so far so good, it's running great. Okay, so we're back here. I ran a full diagnostic test on the vehicle as a whole as we were driving. You can see here, cylinder 1, 0 counts of misfires. Cylinder 2, 0 counts of misfires. Cylinder 3, which was the culprit, we have 0 counts of misfires. And then cylinder 4, all cylinders functioning fine, no misfires. So that was the issue, and it has been resolved. Alright, so that's in place. That pretty much wraps up this video on how to replace an ignition coil pack on your Kia Rio. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.